In this video, we will explain how to use automated tasks within a workflow. With automated tasks, workflows can leverage Simplifier integrations to interface with external systems. In this example, within an invoice approval process, we want to use an automated task to book an approved invoice to SAP. Therefore, we select our task, Book Invoice to SAP, and change what the task should do to Automated Task. In this case, we want to call a business object named Book Invoice with the function Book Invoice to SAP. Now we open the input mapping of the function and add the two variables, invoice amount and a vendor, and map them to the corresponding input parameters of the function. Finally, we want to set the outcome of our workflow to finished when the invoice was booked to SAP.